As you can see, my screen is totally different today. And again, I have a time limit, less than 5 minutes. So let's answer together. Writing journal, page 5 and 6. Question 2 and question 3. I put this over here because on page 6 we have 2 questions, 3 and 4. But only 3 is for homework, okay? Now, step by step, let's answer together. Here, on page 5, we have to choose a word of art, okay? I chose this one. You can choose a different one. It's your option. Okay, kiddos? And then we are going to write a review about it. Work, the name of the work. This is the name. Over here, this is the name. So let's pretend that this is my book. Work, the name. Remember the name of the work. The name of the work, there it is. The girl with the pearl earring. Artist. This is the artist. This one is the artist. So we are going to write, okay. Art form. Painting. Painting. Description. We are going to describe the painting. I put something simple over here, like there is a girl, she's wearing beautiful earrings. Okay, something pretty basic. And I like it because it's beautiful. The girl seems to be simple and elegant. So far, so good. Just like that. And then we have the next page. 3. Write a first draft of your review. Okay. Page 6, question 3, example. So I'm gonna get this information over here and write in form of a text. Let me go back. There it is. So there is a painting named The Girl with the Pearl Earring by Johannes Vermeer. Okay. We can see a girl with a beautiful earring. The girl is simple and elegant. There it is. We have our text completely ready. Let me put something bigger. Just that, kiddos, just that. I'm gonna show you again one more time, and you can watch again this video. I think it's necessary. I think it's better this way because you can see me answering the activity as an example. Put it bigger, present. Okay. Writing journal, page 5, question 2, and 6, question 3, step by step. Page 5, question 2, an example. The name of the work, the name of the artist, art form, painting, the one that I chose. Description, there is a girl, she's wearing beautiful earrings. I like it because it's beautiful. The girl seems to be simple and elegant. Page 6, question 3. Just get this information and write it in form of a text. There is a painting named The Girl with a Pearl Earring by Johannes Vermeer. We can see a girl with a beautiful earring. The girl is simple and elegant. Now I need to go just a couple of seconds. I hope it was helpful. Okay. If you need anything, another example, just let me know that I can prepare one for you. Kisses and see you next time.